You can enhance your affirmations. So they're not just words that you are repetitiously saying, but they are actually words that you believe, you truly feel about yourself. So we're about to do some affirmations. There are 5 of them. You're going to repeat them and then pay attention to how your brain is responding to them. Then you will continue with the process. Now, remember, this is a 3-step thought process that enhances affirmations. You're not going to have to talk yourself into believing them. That's not what you're doing. What you're going to do is gently guide the brain through the 3 steps. When it is done, your brain will be accepting of them. Enjoy. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Just listen to my voice and say with the same conviction, I am brilliant. Everything always goes my way. I am lovable. I am orderly. I am funny. Now take a breath and enjoy the music and the scenery. Here we go again. You're going to complete these sentences that are from your life. Do not pressure yourself. Relax as you think of a response. Let's go. I am brilliant because were you able to think of something? Great. If not, great. Everything always goes my way. When did this happen? Can you think of something specific always going your way? I am lovable because I am orderly because. What are you visualizing? I am orderly because. I am funny because. What makes you so funny? Now, don't worry if you were not able to complete the sentences. As you go along, it will become easier and easier to do. Take a deep breath, enjoy the music and the scenery. Feel it, smell it, live it. Let's do it again. I am brilliant because. Everything always goes my way. When is this always happening? I am so lovable because. I am orderly because. I'm so funny because. Great job. Now breathe. Enjoy the music. Watch the scenery. Put yourself there. Great job. Let's do a little distraction to re-engage your mind. Can you name 5 bodies of water? Visualize them. What do they look like? What do they sound like? You've got a hint. There's one right in front of you. It's the ocean. Do you hear the waves crashing against the beach? Can you see the color? Now name 4 more. Visualize them. Do not pressure yourself. If you can only name 1 or 2, excellent. You can't think of any? Just think of the ocean and imagine how big it is. Continue to breathe. Let's do it again. I am brilliant. Everything always goes my way. I am lovable. I am orderly. I'm funny. Which one did you feel the least is you? Does it feel more comfortable to say and believe? Breathe. Is your brain more accepting? Let's try it again. I am brilliant. Everything always goes my way. I am so lovable. I am orderly. I am just so funny. Breathe. Let go of any situations, thoughts, words from others that say you are the opposite. Is your brain more accepting? How is it feeling? Are you brilliant? Does everything in life go your way? Are you lovable, orderly, and funny? Is that part of who you are? Next time, watch a video that promotes gratitude. Why? Promoting gratitude combats feelings of hopelessness, being unlovable, and loneliness. How? Well, it allows the brain to focus on good things in your life, creates a grateful feeling. You can enhance it manually by doing these things. Accept praise. Do not downplay it. Compliments. Graciously say thank you. Receive gifts graciously. Get pumped about what you were given, even the smallest gift, even if it's just someone's time or the gift of kind words. Say thank you for even little things. Positive self-talk. There are videos that promote relaxation, affirmation, gratitude, and fast brain rewiring. Experience them all here on DIY Mental Boost.